Hello kids, say with me, color name pink, orange, blue, red, black. Write with me, A. Say with me, A. Write with me, B. Say with me, B. Write with me, C. Say with me, C. D. Say with me, D. Write with me, E. Say with me, E. Write with me, F. Say with me, F. Write with me, G. Say with me, G. Write with me, H. Say with me, H. Write with me, I. Say with me, I. Write with me, J. Say with me, J. Write with me, K. Say with me, K. Write with me, L. Say with me, L. Write with me, M. Say with me, M. Write with me, N. Say with me, N. Write with me, O. Say with me, O. Write with me, F. Say with me, F. Write with me, Q. Say with me, Q. Write with me, R. Say with me, R. Write with me, S. Say with me, S. Write with me, T. Say with me, T. Write with me, U. Say with me, U. Write with me, V. Say with me, V. Write with me, W. Say with me, W. Write with me, X. Say with me, X. Write with me, Y. Say with me, Y. Write with me, G. Say with me, G. Count with me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, and 0. 10. Say with me, shape name circle. Again say with me, circle. Say with me, shape name triangle. Again say with me, triangle. Say with me, shape name square. Again say with me, square. Say with me, shape name heart. Again say with me, heart. Say with me, shape name rectangle. Say with me, shape name pentagon. Again say with me, pentagon. Subscribe for more video.